Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share with you on a quick and easy way you can set up your floral greenery flower wall backdrop. It's super easy to do. It's actually a highly requested video. Stay tuned and watch how I go about putting it together, and definitely comment your thoughts below. You're gonna start by adding your first flower panel onto your crossbar. For this project, you're going to need 2 upright and 1 crossbar. I'm going to go ahead and add 4 spandex drapings for this project. Once you're done adding the drapery, you're going to add your second flower panel. And that is literally all that you need to do for this project, and then you're just going to go ahead and hook it onto your upright. You're definitely going to need some pipe cleaners to tie your drapery behind the flower panels. You're going to tie it onto the upright. Super easy to do. So you're going to want to tie it so you can definitely get that beautiful swag look. And when you're done, you just kind of fix it and arrange it. And that is it. Next, I chose to accessorize my backdrop with these beautiful geometric containers. However, this part is completely optional. You do not have to accessorize it with these beautiful containers. That option is completely up to you. You can choose to leave your backdrop completely plain as is. This backdrop is so simple but so elegant at the same time. It's very minimal. I really love how it came together. This is definitely for anyone who wants something so simple, stunning, and elegant. This backdrop is definitely a must-try for you. If you would like to get your hands on this backdrop, it is from rosemorning.com. It is their spring collection flower wall. I really love how versatile this flower wall is and how stunning it is. To put this backdrop together, it took me less than 15 minutes to put together. It's super easy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye guys.